Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Milan's 20th channels again. I've always told all that is a channel that brings to all ICT information, ICT tutorial, tricks, and ICT that will make you to be productive in whatever thing you're doing. What we have for us this day is using brush tool. Brush tool. We can insert our image or anything with the use of this brush tool. It is possible that you must have seen some images, some flyers, some designs. They'll not be wondering how did they use this brush to maybe either to write a text, either to make a design on a flyer. It's not only on a Photoshop or Illustrator or others designing something too. PowerPoint can do this again. You want to ask me how? That is why you need to always subscribe to this channel. You need to watch this video. PowerPoint trick for using brush tool. Let's get started. Now, open your PowerPoint, then go to new to blank slide. Yes, I've taken a blank slide already, but you can always go to your to blank slide. Have you done that? Come to your insert tab, come to your shape, come to your text box here. All these one we are seeing here, they are recently used shapes. So I may not have any reason to come to this basic shapes. But if you don't have anyone that you've used before, come to your basic shape, take your text box. All right. Then press your caps lock on, type your I. Yes. Now, the font to be using for this I is what we call road rage. If you don't have the road rage installed before, you need to go and download it. Yes, you need to go and download Road Rage Fonts and install it. And when it's installed, it will automatically be added to the font you're having before. So I've downloaded mine, Road Rage. So I liked it. Select the text, come to your font, and type Road Road Rage. So it has displays. Yeah. Then increase the font size to 400. The font size to 400. Are you doing that with me? Press your enter. Press your enter. Press your enter. Let me change it back to let me change it back to 400. I like change to 400. So specifically changed. So take it back to 400. Enter. So it has increased back. Select it. Select it. Then rotate it. Rotate it like this. Yeah. So the next thing we have to do now, we are to take a rectangle shape. Come to insert your shape. Take your rectangle shape. Then draw it to cover the the text. Then you can say send to the back. Send backward. Since the shape has been highlighted, press your shift key down and highlight the text also. Come to shape format. Let's come to a mesh shape. Then we'll come to our intersect. Come to intersect. Then say no outline. No outline. Yeah, no outline. So what we have to do now, duplicate we have to duplicate the shape. It depends on your choice. Duplicate again. I may want to reduce this. It depends on us. Are you getting the way I'm doing it? All right. If you want again, you can still duplicate again. To as many shapes as possible you want to duplicate or you want to do. Depends on us. Let me duplicate again. Bring it here. The next thing we have to do now, we have to highlight it. Yes. Then right click and come to format object. We'll come to our object here. We'll come to our effects, come to shadow. Then the presets. Come here and take this outer offset bottom right. Bottom right. Bottom right. So what to do now? We may want to blur the distance. Let's reduce it. Okay. The distance of the blurry depends on us. Can we do the adjustments ourselves? Then let's blur it. Let's blur it. If we want to change the color, we can change the color of the shadow given to it. Let's change it to something like this. Yeah, if we want. So let's come back to our shape here, our shape. Come to fill. We want to change the color of that shape. That's if we want. That's if we want it. Let's see if this will be good for us. And if we don't like it, we can go and change the color again. So let's take this if that one is good for us. Then group. So group is Ctrl G. Ctrl G. So let's now go to our shape fill, our shape format. Then come to our shape fill to insert the picture you want to put inside the brush that we've drawn and that we've grouped. So come to image. Now go to location where your image is. So I'm going to my desktop. That's where the image I want to use is. All right, I'm using this. Let me say insert. Now we've inserted the image. We can now adjust it. Yeah, let's adjust. We've done that like that. Can you see? Isn't this so beautiful? We've inserted the image into the brush that we've done. We are bringing out a trick from brush to right in PowerPoint. It's possible. I've told us before. Are you doing your own too? So all we have to do now, I want to take a particular, let's say, frame or shape so that I will insert the picture into it again. So that it shouldn't just be plain like that. Let's come to our insert, our shape. And come to rectangle. Rectangle. All right. Come to the shape effect and give it 3D if possible. Okay. Okay. So let's right click on the shape and go to shape format. Shape format. Let's come to effect. Let's come to effect. Let's see if we're going to give it, let's see let's go to perspective and give this the shadow. The shadow, let's transparent it. Yeah, okay with this transparency. Let's blur it. Let's blur it. The distance again. We can change the color. Can change the colors. Pick something like this. Stick your eyedropper. It's gonna take this color. All right. So let's take our 3D format. 3D format. 3D format. Let's increase the weight. Let's give the weight 10. All right. So 20. 20. Okay. Let's check the bottom. Let's leave that one that way. And let's check the color. So the depth of the shape, giving it 20, 20. Let's go and rotate it. Let's go to 3D rotate. 3D rotate to rotate the image. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. If you're okay that way. If we want to change the color, we can always change the color if you want to change the color. Let's see if gray. Okay. Let's come to color to change the color of the blue. Let's take something like this. It's too light. Um, let's see if this will be good. All right, so close this. So place the picture on it. Reduce this. Bring to front, bring forward, place it here. To reduce it, let's be well placed on it. Well placed. Let's adjust it again. Bring it here. All right. Isn't this one beautiful? You can always do it for somebody, either for birthday or whatever you want to do to make the person to feel good that you've done something for him or her. All right. So the next thing you have to do now, we want to give it background so that it won't just be plain. That is, if you want, it's not compulsory to give it background, but if you feel like giving it background, you can always do that. So let's format the background. Format background. So I'll come to picture, texture, go to insert. So take the background you want. I want it from my download. I'm going to my download to bring the picture I want. Download. Okay. Almost getting there. This background I want. Take this background. You can transparent it. Transparent the background. Come on, it's becoming beautiful. Becoming beautiful. If we need to transparent to get it transparent. Good at 8. It's good at 80 like that. It's good at 80. Close it. Close it. Okay. Let's increase it again. So go to insert tab again, come to shape, rectangle, do this. And we want to format this also. That is what I want. Okay, let me take this color. Let me take this color eyedropper to pick this color for it. No outline. So duplicate this, Ctrl D, bring it down. Let's leave this one up. Bring it up. Okay. Where are you? Let's bring it down. Yeah. You can now write your text. Come to Insert tab, your shapes, your text box. PowerPoint trick. The PowerPoint trick. PowerPoint. Increase it. PowerPoint trick. Use the control key down to bring this down. PowerPoint trick. Let's give it red. Format. But still, let's give it this color. No, no fill. I mean the text. Let's take eyedropper to choose this color also. PowerPoint trick. Is it becoming like a trick to us? Try it and let's see how trickish is it. But it's a positive trick. PowerPoint trick with the use of brush tool. PowerPoint trick with brush tool. PowerPoint trick with no the same things. PowerPoint trick with brush tool. With brush with brush tool. Okay. With brush tool. With brush tool. With brush tool. So let's change the font also. Let's come to our shape format. Change the color. I want you to try it. Isn't this one beautiful? Always visit Antonia Anila's channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. Try it. Thank you.